everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaylee, your Junebug Chung. The August Birchbox with me. Here it is. Alright, and I'm just gonna, this is the first time I've opened it. I took it out of its main packaging. The first thing that comes in here is we have this sheet of paper. Then it's also got on the other side just what's in the box, as well as how much things are. So we will go over this as I pull it out. There's that. So first thing we have here on our list is the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. Alright, so this is a sample size and it is 7 milliliters or 0.24 fluid ounces. So on the description here it says that its full size is $23. Just to open it up, let's see what it smells like. So it doesn't really smell like anything but I don't know, a non-scented lotion. I know that makes no sense since non-scented lotions shouldn't have a smell, but you know the smell. I will come back and use this every day until it runs out and see how my skin fares from there. So you'll see my progress through that. Alright, next on the list, the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Blush Hour. It's got super funky, cool packaging in green and black designs. What it says on here is that this ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips' pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. So, and it says that the full size is $15. So this is what it looks like. Kind of has a minty smell to it. So on the back of your hand, I'm not really able to tell, but we will try this out on my lips in a second. Let's get through everything else right now. Okay. Next thing, by Rosie Jane, Lia L'eau de Parfum. The full size is $65. So, I'm going to assume this is the fragrance. Oh, this is tiny. So it says it is made in California without parabens, phthalates, BHT, and harmful chemicals. You can kind of already smell it, without opening this up. And it does smell like jasmine. It smells strong of heavily cut grass. I never wear perfume. I never have, and I don't plan on it either. See, when I was growing up, my mom, she has really bad asthma, and so just perfume in general would just set that off. Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. The full size is $22. So this is what we got. And it is a felt tip. Usually I've used their mascara though, so this will be interesting to see how this works. So let's just take a little swatch here. Woo! That is pigmented. That's pigmented. Also, if you can't tell, that is where I did the lip balm on my skin, so it is turning like slightly pink. Next on here we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD 5-in-1 Styling Treatment, and the full size is $28. That's what we've got. So I don't blow dry my hair, if you can't tell. It's a little interesting as it is. For the sake of trying this out effectively, I will see how it is. Oh, this smells good. I don't know what kind of like smell that is though. Like soap for sure. I will be using this throughout the week, along with the Air Repair as well, just so that I can let you guys know what it's like. Last on this list, we have here the Orbi Priming Lotion Leave-In Conditioning Detangler, and its full size is $38. This is what it looks like. Alright, so I will also be using this throughout the week, and I will let you know what it is, how it does. But for now, I already have an eye look going on, and I already know that like I really like this, but I will for sure use this in another video. But for now, you can test the lip balm. So give me 1 second to take this lipstick off, and I will show you. So my lipstick is off, and we will go in and try this out and see if it actually does like change the tint of my lips. So when I swatched it on the back of my hand, it didn't really change much, but it did take a while. So, I mean, it's a lip balm. It's not super disappointing. My lips get super dry. So, I mean, I'll use it. Yeah. Anyway, next time I see you guys, I will have used the Air Repair as well as the, what was this? Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, to just see how they do. I'll just see you later. Alright. Hey guys, just wanted to give an update on this. So I used the 5-in-1 Living Proof Perfect Hair Day on my hair last night when I was combing through it. And so far, after day one, it feels, I don't know, a tad dry and a bit frizzy. I did blow dry it, so there's that. However, I did use the Air Repair moisturizer on my skin last night instead of my usual moisturizer. And so far, not a real change or anything. So we'll see in another couple days. Hi everybody. So it's been about a week, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the 3 things that, you know, need a bit of time before you can make a real judgment. So the first one, the Air Repair moisturizer. This one, I would have to say after using it instead of my normal one, there's not really much of a change. Just looking at the price of the full size, I would not buy this again, but it was a pretty good product and my skin is nice and like supple, but that's normal for me. The next product that we had, the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, I don't style my hair a lot. So this week I did style my hair a little bit. It wasn't really anything different. I wouldn't buy it again because, again, I don't really style my hair. My hair is like naturally wavy / curly all the time. So this was a okay one, and I wouldn't buy it again. And lastly, our next product was Orbi Priming Lotion Leave-In Conditioner Detangler. I loved this. I would definitely buy this again. It's $38, but there's a lot in, like, even just the sample. I would definitely buy this again. So those are my thoughts on it. So the overall Birchbox would be about a 7 out of 10. It did come with a perfume, and I don't do perfume. The Living Proof that I got, again, not something I would use normally. I don't usually use a lot of hair products, and I already have a really good skin routine. This one I feel was a little more towards like repair and health and stuff like that. But I did really like the Ico eyeliner. I'm actually currently wearing it right now. And the Aero lip balm that is tinted based off of your own skin. It was a lip balm. It wasn't really interesting. But I did really like the Orbi and the Ico eyeliner. So that's why it gets a 7 out of 10. I also really liked the box. It was super cute. It's a really good size to reuse. So that is my review on the Birchbox August 2019. Thanks for watching. If you really liked this, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell to know when I upload next. And leave a comment if you would like to see more from the Birchbox. And I'll see you later.